Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today we are making our confetti sprinkle shirts. Yes. You see it. Yes, you did. Let's throw it in the back. Yes, and we are getting ready for Halloween. Yeah, so this is what we are doing today. Look at this. What we're doing is using tea confetti. This is from Inspired Chaos Designs from Etsy. That's where I got it. They have teaconfetti.com is their website now. They got them a website so you can get it yourself if you want. I'll show you a close-up of it a little later. Basically what it is plastisol inks and adhesive, kind of like your screen print transfers, basically. And we're just I'm gonna show you how we get this thing together. It's not. So yeah, these are the colors that I have. I'm using these two today. And then it looks like this when it's over. Now, I do want to let you know that this is layered. Behind here is Easy Weed Glow. And then this is Caesar's Holographic Mystic Pearl. And these are actually from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Shout out to Heat Transfer Warehouse. And so yeah. So that's where I got this from. All the links and everything will be down in the description. Guess what, y'all? This is a teaser. We can sublimate on these, the glow in this, and that's gonna be one of my next videos. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that you have the notification bell on, because I'm gonna show you how we sub on and stuff too. But right now, let's get into this sprinkles and this confetti. Let me show you how I made it. Okay, these are the materials we're going to be using today. We are going to be using Easy Weed Glow from Heat Transfer Warehouse. My affiliate link is down below, so make sure you use that link. And I do get a percentage of it because I am an affiliate, but there's no additional cost to you. Okay, so it's going to be Easy Weed Glow. That's the number. Just some black vinyl, HTV vinyl, and then we're going to be using tea confetti. Sprinkle little or sprinkle a lot. I got this actually from Etsy, so shout out to you. This is her shop, Inspired Chaos Designs, tea confetti. This is her website, or you could go to her Etsy shop. That's the Inspired Chaos Designs. I'm going to be making this just a happy Halloween shirt, really simple and easy. And I may do a shirt with this too, because you know it got pink and all those colors in there. So yep, so that's what I'm going to be using today. So let's get started. So just because people may ask, all I did here was get the happy Halloween. This image was from Etsy, and then I just went to offset at the top. I picked the offset there, and then I don't want to make an extra one, and then it made the offset. So the back of it is going to actually be what I'm going to do for the glow in the dark, and then this is going to be the black. Okay, so I just quickly wanted to show you that. The point of the video is this, but I just wanted to show you that because people may ask. Okay, so this is something new. I'm taking this, it could be a wet garment, but I'm taking my filters, and I'm actually putting this on here. This is alcohol. I'm putting it on here because according to Heat Transfer Warehouse's website, it says that if you lightly dampen your shirts with alcohol, that it'll help it adhere better. So I'm just putting a little bit on there, and then we're going to set it up under here so that it can dry, and then I'm going to adhere the vinyl. Okay, so I let it dry the alcohol dry, I'm using my t-shirt ruler. You guys can, I have mine from by Tam Sweet Life, tamsweetlife.com. You could get it from Etsy. I actually got it from Etsy. You could get it from someone from Etsy. You get some from Amazon. And I'm just measuring where I'm going to put this. And I'm measuring it only for the center. So I think I'm going to put some sprinkles at the top of it too. So I'm going to put it down a little bit further than I normally would because I'm going to be putting the sprinkles. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I am going to layer it. So I'm going to put this down first. Oh, let me pre-press it. I got to pre-press the shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-press the shirt just for a couple seconds. All right, just get some of that moisture out. So I'm going to go ahead, make sure this is all set. All right. Now, typically, you can tape it down. It's kind of sticking really good, so I really don't have to tape it down. But I'm just going to put a little bit so it won't move. But this is sticking pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and press this. I'm only going to press it for a second. I don't even know if you can layer this, y'all. But I'm going to try. Okay, so I'm going to press it for 10 seconds, and then I'm going to layer it. Okay. It's on there. Uh-oh. Can y'all see? Let me scoot y'all in better. Let me scoot y'all in more. All right. Okay, so since I'm layering the offset of it, you just want to make sure that you're careful. Everything is lining up correctly. You don't want the offset to be off. Pulled. Okay. So you want to make sure that it looks good, and you can adjust it and play around with it. Just want to make sure it looks good. And if you need to, if it's not aligning right, you can cut stuff off and then get it together. But that looks pretty good for what I'm trying to do. Because if you need to, you can cut it separately and line it up right. There we go. Now we're going to press this. All right. So let's see how this went. It looks good. Let me show you. Okay. So that's how the layer looks. And when I turn the light off, the back part is going to glow in the dark. Okay. So now let's add our sprinkles, our tea confetti. Now, this comes with these like holes in there. However, they already said that if it doesn't come out, because some of them are bigger chunks, you just take the top off. And I'm literally just going to sprinkle it. It looks so cute already. I'm just going to sprinkle it all over that I want to cover. Okay. And I'm going to bring you so you can see it more. But I want the sprinkles all over. And I think I'm going to press the top part and then the bottom part, because I think I want it all over the shirt. Okay? So let me switch angles. All right, so look how cute that look, y'all. So you put as much sprinkles as you want and just move it around. If they're not coming out, you can take the top off if you want. And I think I'm going to do like I said up here and then the bottom. All right, so now I'm going to cover it with my Teflon sheet. And then we're going to press it for 10 seconds. Okay. I want to make sure everything is covered because I don't want it to get on my heat press. Okay? I don't want it to stick on my heat press. So I'm making sure I literally covered the whole thing. And then we're going to do for 10 seconds. See how it comes out. All right. Moment of truth. See what this thing doing. Okay. Ooh, it's hot. Some got on the vinyl, which is fine. So let me scoot you in. All right. So you see that? It's super cute. Some got on the words, but I could have put it on the words on purpose if I wanted to. I actually might sprinkle some on the words purposely. But it turned out cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I think that's adorable. And I'm going to turn the lights off. It's during the day, so I don't know if it's going to glow for us. But I'm going to turn the lights off and see if it could glow. Let me turn the other light on. So I'm trying to block out the sun. Oh, you can't. Oh, wait. Let me try to block out the sunlight. So you can see it glows. So it's the daylight, y'all. It's day outside. It's day outside right now, but you can see it still that it will glow in the dark. Yay! So I am going to sprinkle the bottom of the shirt as well as probably the sleeves too. Cover it up and press it. All right. And that pressed well as well. It's so cute. It looks like paint or something. And I don't know if I'm going to do the sleeves or not. But I mean, I could. So you could do whatever you want. The sleeves, the back, everything. But it looks so cute. I'm trying to see if I'm going to do another shirt or not. Y'all see this? It's adorable. And it's on there. And I guess if some did come off, it wouldn't be a big deal. But it's on there. See that? All right. Trying to see if I should put some more on here. But yeah, but I like it. I think it's super cute. It's creative. It's easy. It's absolutely adorable. I love it. I love it. Okay, so I did do another shirt. I got that queen image from Etsy. And what I did with this one, this holographic pearl from Heat Transfer Warehouse is a cold peel. So I said I'm going to keep the cover on top of it, which it actually worked out because it kept the sprinkles from getting on the design, which I don't care about. But if you want to make sure it doesn't get on the design, you can keep that covering on there. So I'm just showing you how I did my second shirt. So I did want to give you the information for the Caesar holographic mystic pearl. That's what this is. It's so cute. And spoiler alert, I'm actually going to sub on this. So yeah, so stay tuned for that video. But yes, let's get into this shirt. It is adorable. I did do the sleeves on this one. It's super cute. And I love this holographic mystic pearl because it looks like different colors when the light hits it. When it twinkle and glisten. It's so cute though. But yeah. So yeah. That's it. I love it. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please holla at your girl. Thank you guys so much for your time. I think this is like so cute. Please follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Do Dream One is the handle. Y'all know I'm trying to get my Instagram growing and growing. But yeah, that's about it. Like I said, just holler at me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.